The story of a boy who is chasing his dream. Mohit was always wanting to get into technical jobs. He has done his diploma in computer application but did not have relevant experience. Initially, we told him to join IT company in HR because that exposure will help him to gain experience. Today, Mohit works at Enable India as a workplace solution expert, following his passion and developing his career. Mohit, working as a workplace solution expert for visually impaired at Enable India.
Hi, my name is Mohit. I since the by birth I had a little bit of vision problem, but it was not so severe. At the age of 4 or 5, my parents could recognize that I had some vision problem. It was diagnosed as retinitis pigmentosa, and later, till the age of 12, I was going to the school as usual, and I was using spectacles, but there was not much difficulty for day-to-day work. But after the age of 12, I started losing my vision gradually. Then, since it was a retinitis pigmentosa, there was no treatment for that. Then it was very difficult for me to continue my education in a mainstream school. And a therapist in Retina Institute of Karnataka here suggested me for a special school. At that time, I was in a dilemma whether to go for a special school or to continue education in a mainstream school. But finally, I made up my mind to go for a special school. After completion of my SSLC, I joined JSS Polytechnic for the diploma. I came to Enable India for the course IBM SM training, service management training. It was a collaborative course with IBM and Enable India. After the completion of course, I got placement in Wipro Technologies. Now I am working as a IT recruiter in a sourcing team for Wipro Technologies.
Let us understand from Mohit what his role is in Wipro as an IT recruiter.
Yeah, currently I am part of the recruitment division of Wipro Technologies. Here my role would be I am into lateral hiring. Lateral hiring means it will not include freshers hiring. So I usually my day-to-day work begins with the requirements. Means usually my team lead gets a requirement from the business. So I get a requirement allocation every day based on the requirement for the Wipro Technologies for entire India division. So based on the requirement, their experience and the band and all those things, I have to search suitable candidates in job portals and social media, and I have to screen the first level of screening the resumes, and I have to speak to the candidates regarding their interest with Wipro Technologies, and then I have to check their fitment, whether their expectation, salary expectation, and their notice period, everything matches with our current requirement. If everything goes smoothly, then I have to process their CV in our internal portal. There will be a software. So in that internal database, I have to update their complete profile along with some fitment details which are required for later offering. Then I have to schedule the interview for the candidate based on the technical panel availability. Till then, I will be responsible. After that, next level of people will take care of the recruitment.
How did role simulation in the training help Mohit and how did it help him in the workplace?
I can relate one job simulation, that is order processor. There we had to copy the details of the requirement, means whatever the orders they have given, we had to enter in particular Excel sheet, particular details like what is the quantity they are looking and what is the cuisine they are looking, and the availability of the, we had to check the availability of the cuisine in another Excel sheet. So now daily, whatever the candidate I process, I have to maintain a tracker which I need to send for the next level recruiter and technical panel. There I have to enter complete details of the candidates, like candidates name, their contact details, email IDs, and their current and expected CTGs, and their relevant and total IT experience, all those things. I feel the entry which I did in Excel, I had to copy from the notepad, and I had to properly, the data should be accurate. That's helping here to maintain my day-to-day tracker.
How did Mohit become efficient on the computers?
Usually, Shiva sir used to reject the letters even for small formatting errors, and he never used to tell what is the error in the document. he used to tell it's rejected because it's not meeting the criteria or whatever the things we are looking. So I had to again go through everything and I had to cross check everything. Again we had to identify the mistakes which I did and I had to resubmit it. So it helped me to do the work with efficiency and do the proofreading or cross checking before submitting any work.
How did Mohit get benefited of trainers being transparent and non-judgmental?
Trainers being not judgmental and transparent is the one of the very good thing with Enable India. I can just recall one incident when I was in SM training. There was a role simulation. It was, I think, if I'm not wrong, it's indexing something. Before giving that role simulation, Moses sir was handling that part, and he told one of our candidates previously finished this exercise within 22 or 25 minutes. Let's see how much time we will take. And after I actually especially take more than after 45 minutes or 1 hour I took. And I asked him how it's possible in 22 minutes. I don't think he finished in 22 minutes. And he told no, he finished. Then I had an argument with him and I asked him to show what are the steps he followed, how it can be done in 22 minutes and all those things. At that time he didn't feel like why you are asking these things, we did already like that. But he came and he showed what are the other methods we can follow, and he showed how quickly it can be done more efficiently and all those things. He discussed very frankly and he didn't feel anything about that asking that question.
Mohit started his career as an IT recruiter, but did not forget his passion towards technology. He constantly worked efficiently and proved himself to achieve his passion. He gained knowledge about technology by being conscious learner as an IT recruiter. Now, he is with Enable India as a workplace solution expert for visually impaired, where he has to provide technical solutions for candidates in the company.